Healthy Forever presents 8 straightforward ways to lose weight during sleep. Lose weight and get your beauty rest each night. It's crucial for all people to do anything they can to attain the highest level of wellness and health. That involves making sure to get sufficient sleep on a nightly basis. It also involves keeping weight in check. Fortunately, people can work on both of those things at the same exact time. If you want to lose weight and take control of pesky belly fat as you sleep at night, these 8 suggestions can get you moving in the right direction in no time. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Just say no to massive dinners. It can help you greatly to steer clear of consuming dinners that are significant late in the evening. It's particularly vital to steer clear of doing so right before going to bed. Brains release growth hormones while humans sleep. If you consume food items late, this specific hormone safeguards them as body fat rather than nourishment. Get a lot of sleep. You can take charge of your weight by going above and beyond to sleep enough. It doesn't matter how much you have on your plate in your day-to-day existence. Sleeping for a sufficient span of time nightly may help you win the battle of the bulge. This relates to ghrelin and leptin, a couple of hormones that involve hunger, energy, and appetite. Wind down through stretching, meditation, or breathing. Posing prior to turning in for the evening may enhance the caliber of your sleep. Yoga can soothe your brain and enhance your power and strength simultaneously. That's how it enables people to minimize anxiety and clear their heads. Embrace cooler temperatures. If you want to do away with irritating belly fat at night, it may help you to put your cooling system on or adjust your heating. Temperatures that are cold strengthen brown fat storage. Fat promotes warmth via belly fat burning techniques as well. Prohibit electronic device use in your sleeping space. You may be able to lose weight by not permitting yourself to stare at your cell phone in bed. Zeroing in on blue light at night may do a number on the manufacturing of melatonin, a hormone. This may make your metabolism operate in a manner that's a lot more sluggish too. Remember, tablets and cell phones give off this kind of light. Resist the temptation to drink prior to sleeping. Restrict alcohol consumption prior to sleeping. That's because it can interfere with your rest and make it so that you cannot burn existing calories as well. Chow down on substantial amounts of protein during the daytime. Giving your body protein all throughout the course of the day may keep your amounts of blood sugar consistent. This can make your metabolism operate in a much more rapid manner. Don't forget, either, that protein is filling and keeps a moderate food consumption at bay. Prohibit late workout sessions. Exercise understandably makes people feel more awake. That's why late workout sessions can interfere with sleep and weight management at the same time. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.